Okay, in this video, we want to focus on the punch list. As most of you know, a punch list is a way for us to keep track of items on the project, tasks on the project that have not met the contract specifications. So we can track all of these punch list items by starting here in the project portal and clicking on the punch list smart button. This will take us to a list of all of the punch list items that are on this particular project. And like all of the other list views inside of 2020, we can have filters so that we can see all of them that are assigned to me, or those that are grouped by priority or by stage, open, closed, create date, and whatever. So let's just come in here and let's create our first punch list. So let's call this painting touch up and notes. Please stop by and touch up the walls. There are a number of places that require touch up. They have been marked. Okay, so once we get our notes in here, we can assign it to our subcontractor or whomever, anybody that's in our system. It will automatically indicate who entered this. We can define a priority and tasks, decide whether this is going to have any impact on our schedule or cost. And we can also drag and drop files if we needed to. In this case, we have indicated that we've marked all of the touch-ups that were required. So we will not upload any pictures at this time. So now that this has been set up, we're going to go ahead and email this to the assigned person, which is test contact Brant Wadsworth. Okay, this email has arrived. It's on my other screen, so I'm going to drag it over so you can see what it looks like. The one office building project needs your attention for painting touch-up. Please stop by and touch up the walls. You know, all the notes that were put onto that form are included in here, and then with directions on what they need to do to actually access this punch list, which is to click the Access Punch List button here at the top of the email, and this will take them directly to the portal. So you can see that I am not logged in. Here's the login. If I were logged in, it would show my user details over here. The people that are receiving your punch list items do not have to be users of the 2020 Construction Cloud system in order to use this and collaborate around it. From here, they would be able to see all the details related to this punch list item. If there were attachments, files, pictures, or whatever, they would be shown under here on this particular form. And this subcontractor or vendor or whomever can simply click on enter a response. They can enter their details. They can choose to upload any files or attachments if they want, and then mark it as completed, and then go ahead and submit it. Okay, now once that has been submitted and we come back to the 2020 form where we entered it, we can see that now this punch list item has been closed. And if we were to look at the list of all of the punch lists for this particular project, we can see that they're all closed. So now, using the standard features that we have in all of the list views in 2020 Construction Cloud, you could come through here and group this by state, and you would be able to see that we have 2 closed punch list items. Opening that up would give us the details of those. Clicking on that line would open up the particular punch list item. So I hope this has been helpful in a quick overview of punch lists. Please let us know if you have any additional questions.